Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced strawberry tea. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients, including fresh strawberries, black tea, sugar, and water. Next, we will prepare a vibrant strawberry syrup from scratch, which will provide a natural and sweet flavor. Then, we will brew a strong black tea to form the perfect base for our refreshing drink. Finally, we will combine everything and chill it to perfection, ready for you to enjoy. To begin, hull and slice about 1 cup of fresh, ripe strawberries. Place these into a small saucepan with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the strawberries soften and the liquid slightly thickens. Finally, strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve, pressing the solids to extract every drop of flavorful juice. Now, let's prepare our tea base. Bring 4 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove the water from the heat and add 4 to 6 black tea bags. Allow the tea to steep for about 5 minutes to ensure a strong, robust flavor, which is essential for iced tea. After steeping, carefully remove and discard the tea bags. It is crucial to let the brewed tea cool down completely to room temperature before proceeding to the next step. With your tea cooled and syrup ready, it's time to combine them. Pour the cooled black tea into a large pitcher, then add all of your delicious homemade strawberry syrup. Stir well to ensure the flavors are thoroughly mixed. Fill your pitcher or individual glasses with plenty of ice. For an extra touch, garnish each serving with fresh strawberry slices and a sprig of mint. Serve immediately and savor this wonderfully refreshing iced strawberry tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.